Hello, this video discusses about high-level process of migrating SnapManager SQL Server to SnapCenter plugin for SQL Server. Here are few reasons to migrate to SnapCenter. As compared to SnapManager, SnapCenter gives customer the capability to centrally manage and protect resources on standalone or HA instances. With this upgrade, it allows SnapCenter users to update product services and provide new feature without going through the tedious task of manually updating on all servers. SnapCenter is almost on par with SnapManager in feature comparison, and so SnapManager end of availability was announced last year. With new updates happening in VMware, Windows, SQL Server, and Exchange Server including ONTAP, you will want to move to SnapCenter to be supported and take advantages of all the features it has. So, here is a methodology to perform migration in phases. Firstly, assess the current setup, discover all the hosts using SnapManager for SQL Server, capture the OS and SQL version to validate the compatibility with SnapCenter, and then export the backup schedule. On a separate machine, deploy SnapCenter and configure initial steps like SVM settings, set up roles and credential within SnapCenter. Add host on which database needs to be backed up and push SQL Server plugins for SnapCenter. This process can be done via PowerShell commandlet to automate the process in case of multiple hosts to be added. After SnapCenter agents are installed, create backup policy and schedule backup. Disable SnapManager job and allow SnapCenter to continue with backup jobs. Migrate metadata of snapshot stored in SnapVault to SnapCenter repository. Note the SnapVault copies can only be migrated for database residing on physical LAN. Finally, perform switchover. SnapManager and SnapCenter can coexist for a time until snapshot on primary controller expires. Later, SnapManager can be uninstalled. Here are the list of commandlets which can be handy during migration process. To get the current list of backup schedule to export, use get-sm schedule. Command to migrate SnapVault snapshots to SnapCenter repository, use invoke-sm backup migration. And the command to disable old backup job is get-sm schedule with disable argument. Now let's see a demo on how to move the SnapVault copies to SnapCenter repository. Suppose we have an environment running SnapManager SQL Server backing up two sales databases and is archived to SnapVault destination. Database retention policy is set to save 7 copies on primary volume and equal number of copies on secondary volume. In actual scenario, retention on secondary volume may vary from days to months. As mentioned in one of our slides, SMSQL and SESQL can coexist. We have SnapCenter set up on a separate instance. We push the Microsoft plugin for SQL Server to target host. After adding the host, click on the SnapCenter resource page. Discover the database resources on the SnapCenter host and configure backup policy and jobs. Refer demo video on creating SQL backup jobs in SnapCenter playlist on YouTube. Now connect to the plugin host from PowerShell using commandlet open-sm connection and passing SnapCenter URL as an argument. Now run the command get-sm schedule to gather current job details on SnapManager. Since the new job is created, disable the SnapManager SQL Server job using the same commandlet get-sm schedule with additional argument of disable current schedule. Verify the job is disabled from Windows Task Scheduler if required. Now invoke the PowerShell commandlet to migrate the SnapVault copies to SnapCenter. The process may take a while to update the entries in SnapCenter. On completion, check the status and the availability of SnapVault copies from SnapCenter resource topology view to ensure you have all the required snapshot copies. Once the primary snapshot copies from the SnapManager expire, based on the retention policy, delete those primary snapshot copies and uninstall SnapManager product from target host. Thanks for watching demo. Check out more demos on SnapCenter Server and supported plugin for SQL Server and Exchange on YouTube SnapCenter playlist.